Hello guys. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude Code inside Visual Studio Code, completely free with no API key and no credit card required. Claude Code is Anthropic's official AI coding assistant, and getting started is easier than most people realize. This step-by-step tutorial walks you through the full setup from scratch, including installing the extension, signing in with your free Anthropic account via OAuth, and writing your first AI-assisted code, all inside vscode. First, open Google Chrome and go to the following page to download Visual Studio Code. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads folder and run the vscode setup file. Double-click the installer to start the installation. Accept the agreement, then click Next several times to continue. You can also enable the option to create a desktop shortcut. After that, click Install to begin the installation process. Now Visual Studio Code is being installed on your computer. Next, we will visit OpenCode Zen. Click on Login, then choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account and continue signing in. After logging in, your OpenCode Zen account will be created automatically. Now go to the API Keys section and click Generate API Key. Select the free Cloud Code option and create your API key. Now we will open a new tab and visit to the following page. Go to Quick Start. Scroll down and copy this command. Come to search, type PowerShell, open PowerShell, and paste the command. Hit Enter. Now it will install Cloud Code. For that, I will open Notepad because I have some text that I will copy into settings.json for Cloud. This text will be available in the video description. I will copy this, minimize everything, then go to this PC C drive users. Now I search for .cloud folder. It is right here. Open the .cloud folder, then open settings.json. Now it is open in Visual Studio Code. You can also use any text editor. Paste the lines here. Now we go back to Zen account and copy the API key. Come back and paste the API key here. Press Ctrl V. Then press Ctrl S again to save the file and close it. Now we launch VS Code. First, install Cloud Code extension. Go to Extensions tab and search for Cloud Code. Click Install. Now you can see Cloud Code icon here. Click it to open. Open a new folder by clicking Open Folder. Select the first project folder because it is empty. Now first project folder is selected. If I type hi, it replies, "Hi, how can I help you?" Then I ask, what model are you using? It shows it is using MiniMax 2.53 model. Now we test it. Create me a complete CRUD operation app in PHP. Use index.html for main GUI. It starts generating database.sql, config.php, db.php. Now, if I open Explorer, you can see it has created these files. Open index.html, reveal in File Explorer, and open it in Browser. Now it has created a Task Manager CRUD application. However, we cannot add entries yet because database is not created. We need to create database and configure connection in PHP, config.php. So in this way, you can use free unlimited Cloud Code in VS Code. I think that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.